Hi, my name's Steve from PC Paramedics. We're often asked about torrents and what are torrents. Torrents are simply applications for transferring compressed files across the internet very quickly. Typical files might be applications, programs, music or videos. The use of torrents needs to be regulated quite carefully because it's easy to infringe copyright laws with the use of torrents. So for today's purposes, we're going to use a simple torrent called uTorrent, and I'm going to show you how to download it and start using the program. So we'll go to our PC and we'll open up a web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome, and I'm going to type into the search engine box uTorrent download, and that's given me a free download for uTorrent. You can choose any number of these, but I know this particular one, the second one down, works particularly well. It gives us two choices: a stable version of uTorrent, that's the existing one that's known and tested, and a beta version, a more up-to-date version but not completed in testing yet. So we're going to go with the known version. I click on download and it comes up and it says I'm just about to start downloading, and down the bottom we can see that it's already saying save that, and there is a uTorrent executable application which we'll double click on, and we'll get the run dialog box come up. Click on next, next again, and now we agree to the license application. And here's a couple of choices where we want to install the program, and I'm going to install it to the default C program files uTorrent. I want to create a start menu entry, but I don't want a quick launch icon for this, and I'm going to have a shortcut on the desktop so I can find it next time. Click next, and here is something you might want to look at carefully. Yes, we do want an exception in our Windows firewall so our torrent will work, but I don't necessarily want the torrent to start every time Windows starts, so I'm going to uncheck that box. Clicking next. Now it's given me some options which help pay for that particular application. I'm going to uncheck changing my home page, and I don't want to change my default search provider, but I do need to accept the license. And I'm going to click install. And there our torrent is already installed. We can close this down and simply go up here now to check for something. I'm going to use a musical artist to see what's available on the internet from him. And there I've got lots of torrents here now, and there's one particular download torrent which is an album, The Ultimate Santana. Now bear in mind, by taking this down you are infringing copyright. I'm simply showing you how it works. So that in a nutshell is the use of a torrent, and we've used eTorrent as an example.